This Saturday's topic, more than pretty, what a man seeks in his queen. Fellas, it's your turn at the mic. Ladies, you might want to lean in too. This Saturday, we're flipping the script. We've heard what women want, but now it's time to hear from the men. What does a man really desire in a life partner? Beauty, ambition, peace, purpose, prayer? Join us for a real, raw, and relevant conversation. It's more than curves and chemistry. It's about calling, character, and connection. Satideh Mawnin runnings, where culture meets conversation. Voices with Lady D, where every voice has power. Don't miss it. Saturday, July 19 at 10 a.m. on YouTube. Subscribe, share, and bring a friend. This one's gonna be good.